What you guys, got another video here for you. Now some of you guys wanted to know how to restore files from your backup with Acronis True Image, and I'm going to show you how to do that in this video today. So we've got the Acronis True Image 2020, it's their new release. So I'm just going to open up Acronis here and get it open, and once we've got it open we can then navigate to our backup file. So we'll just let this populate here. Now I'm going to be recovering files from the folders and files which I made a backup of. So what I'm going to do here is add an existing backup here, and I'm going to navigate to the location where I did my backup to. Now in my case it was on my NAS drive. So what I've done to speed things up is I've put my external drive into my NAS drive and copied that file onto there and then plugged it into my computer. So you can see here I've got the backup file here, which is called Change Me, if you remember, and this is the tib file which we're going to be mounting on here. So all I need to do is click add, and this will then add this file on, and you'll see it change here. There we go. Now once you've got the backup file added in, which you can see now up the very top, we've got backup tab and we've got it added on here. So what we need to do is recover files from this actual file here. So what we're going to do is click on recovery, and this will then populate. Now depending on how fast your storage device is, where you've got it stored, and all these other things will determine how fast this is and how large the file is. You can see it's now got this open, and what you can do is choose what files you want to recover. Now remember, I made a backup of files and folders using Acronis True Image 2020, and it was my user profile which I backed up, which was called Change Me. Yours may be your username. Now what I've done is I've loaded that into Acronis, and I want to pull out the files that I want which I backed up. So now I want to recover these files, and you can see I've got my YouTube stuff here which I'm going to recover and put that back onto the computer. Now if you've done a fresh install of Windows, this is how you can reload your backup, and you can copy all this data back on after you've done a fresh install of Windows. So you can just pull out whatever you like and leave the rest in the archive folder. So you don't have to back up everything, you can just pick and choose what you want to restore on your computer. So I'm just going to restore this little folder here just for tutorial purposes, and then we can look here at some other stuff that I may want to recover. So just go through your backup and have a look at the folders and files that you want to recover. So I'm just going to recover a couple of more bits here. You can see possible videos to make, and I've also got video ideas and a bunch of other folders which I create and keep ideas in. I keep little tabs in there of notes of stuff that I want to make. So I've got my ticks all in the boxes that I want, and you can see here I've got it all listed here for recovery. Now what we need to do is go up to the top here where it says recover to original location. I don't want to do that, so I'm going to hit browse. Then you can choose a location to where you want to recover your data to. So you can now choose your computer or another drive that you have on your computer, or maybe it's a USB flash drive or an external drive or something like that. You can then back up to that location. So I've got another drive installed in this computer, and what I'm going to do is make a folder in there called, say, Restore Acronis, or whatever you want to call yours. I'm going to call it that, and that is where we're going to restore to. And that's pretty much it. Once you've got that done, you can hit the Recover Now button, and it will recover all that data from that file to there. Now if you've forgotten a few bits, you can go back in before you commit to it and add a few more ticks in some stuff. So maybe I forgot something here, I can do that and go back in. It will be okay. Everything is set in place, and I just hit Recover Now. Now depending on how much data you're trying to recover and what you're recovering to will determine how fast this will recover the data. So just be patient. If it's loads of gigabytes in size, it will take a bit of time, so just be patient. You can use the computer while this is going on, so you can just drop this down and leave it running in the background and use your computer, and then when you come back it will be completed and you will have all the data in the designated folder that you set it to. So you can see here, I'm going to go in here and I'll show you. So mine was called Restore Acronis, and this was the place where I'm going to recover my data to. So inside here you will see a couple of folders or how much data you recovered, and one was called my YouTube stuff. Inside here I keep all my images and my intro and outros and all that sort of stuff. So that's in that folder there. Now also recovered some other stuff here, like Outlook files and other bits and pieces inside here. And of course this is very useful because I've backed up all my bookmarks for my browser, and I can recover all this very quick and easily, and I'll be back up and running in no time at all. Now of course if you backed up the operating system you wouldn't have to do any of this stuff because that's a completely different video, and if you want to see that video let me know in the comment section below and I'll make that video for you. But other than that, that's basically how you can restore your files from a backup. My name has been Brian from briteccomputers.co.uk. Thanks again for watching. Bye for now. Now if you haven't subscribed yet, hit the big red subscribe button on my YouTube channel and hit the bell notification button next to that to be notified when we upload new videos.